Going up here to check out this abandoned looking building, boat, something up in this channel. Now there's a big log. So once you get, I just start throttling down a little bit now. 'Cause I don't know if that's the root ball on that side to it, but we may not be able to get around it unless you shut her down and we pull around, like by hand. It's on the water. It's got tarps and stuff for wind, like to close it off. Hello? This is all red line, ain't it? You're good, just stay closer to that.
Stay close to the root ball?
Well, yeah. So I can see a root going to the down. I don't know, I can't see down deep.
That's a dock.
Yeah, but why is it, there ain't no docks around with roofs on them.
Somebody's made that. That's an old dock. What the hell? We get on the way back,